Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Shanice. Hello, welcome to my channel, and if you've been here, hello, welcome to this week's nail tutorial. So this one I surprised my own self of how it all finished out and what it looked like at the end. It's a nice cool black marble gold and a accent of purple marble design that I did, and I even used a new medium. So if you want to learn this cool black marbling design, go ahead and sit back and relax and keep on watching. But before you go ahead and down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also hit the great notification bell so you'll be notified for the other videos that I do each week. So make sure you hit that button. Also, like this video if you like marble nails and you want to learn how to do these marble nails. Go ahead and give me a like down below. If you like nail tutorials in general, if you like just hitting the like button, go ahead, hit the like down below. Thanks a lot. And also share this video because people is gonna want to do this themselves for sure this time. And yeah, let's get started with this video. Okay guys, let's get started with this nail tutorial. So prep your nails, shape your nails, and then apply your favorite base coat of your choice. Then you want to start off with the base colors of each nail. So on your pinky and index finger is going to be this nice light lavender purple. You want to apply 2 coats of that. Won't you talk to me? I want to heal your sorrow. Won't you talk to me? And then on your thumb, middle finger, and wedding finger is going to be a nice black. But on these fingers, you're just going to paint your nails a little over halfway and up. 2 coats of that and 2 coats of the purple. Okay, so on the purple nails, I'm going to overlay it with another purple, but this purple has a nice little gold shimmer look to it. So I'm going to apply 1 coat of that purple on top of the purple that's already down. Have this nice purple thick glitter called Galactic Glam, and I'm gonna apply this not in any order, so it's up to you. So any kind of little design that you want to put on your nails, on those 2 nails. Won't you talk to me? I wanna heal your sorrow. Won't you talk to me? We'll make a new tomorrow. Won't you talk to me? One night to find the answer. Won't you talk? Then I also used a makeup sponge wedge to pack in some more of that glitter so it'll be really full. Okay, so we're gonna leave those 2 nails alone for a while, and we're gonna go on to the big main event, is the marbling. So the new medium that I used, drumroll, is a watercolors. Okay, so you can use acrylic paint on your nails if you're going to do design. So I'm going to choose to use actual watercolors, watercolor paint on my nails, and I used the white and a purple watercolor. So first we're going to use the white, and you don't want to put too much water, but you want to have enough water that you can use it with. And then you also want to have some like a paper towel to dry your brush off after you dipped it in water. So once you got the ratio right of the paint, then you want to dab on to your nail in the area where you want the paint to be, and it kind of moves around, then it dries, and then it leaves this white stain, and then you build up to make that stain look even great. So you want to use that white to keep staining it, and then you go back in, stain it again. Not every part of the nail will be stained. We're going to keep that black, some of that black peeping through. And then once you've done staining it with the white and you build up those layers, you're going to use the purple and do that staining as well, so have that hint stain of purple as well underneath. It's not going to be so opaque, but that's okay because I just wanted a nice stain. Once you have done all the staining that you're going to do with your watercolors, you're going to want to get your white nail polish or your white acrylic paint, and then you want to use your liner brush and to find opaque white lines, skinny white squiggly lines on top of the stain. After you do that, you kind of see the marbling effect come alive on those 3 nails, and then you want to take a nice gold and then you want to line up the edge of the black line with that gold, and then go down a little bit from that line and draw another line on that non-black area on each of those 3 nails. Faster. You're going to want to apply a little bit of that gold into the marble design, just a little bit. A little bit goes a long way because you don't have to fill it all up, but just a little bit to give it some texture. Once you have done all of that, then all you have to do now is to apply your top coat. So on the marbling nails, I applied my favorite top coat of all, the Pro Effects High Gloss Quick Drying Top Coat on those 3 nails. And then on my index finger and pinky, I wanted them to be matte, so I used Pure Ice Frost Matte Finish on those 2 nails. So you guys, what do you think about these nice marbling gold accent with some purple marbling nail tutorial that I showed you this week? Like, it was pretty cool. Give me your thoughts down below on how you think how I did and how it looked, or just give me your thoughts, give me some comments, write them down below. Everything I use will be in this description box, and some other videos that I do during the week will be in the description box. But yeah, if you made it this far, thanks you so much. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't, and because you've been watching this video, go ahead and down below and subscribe right now. Down below and subscribe and hit that great notification bell so we can be in this family together. And also hit that like button and hit that share button. You know what it does. So yes, thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. Love ya. Bye.